Hello and welcome to Kochen, Küche, Klaus. I'm Klaus and we're here in the German Alps where I'm going to teach you how to make German dishes. Something very special. Come on in. Today we're making Schnitzel and Kartoffelsalat. Kartoffelsalat is potato salad, just the German word for it. Kartoffel means potato, Salat means salad. Very similar words. Salad and salat. Not so much on the Kartoffel and potato front. But in order to make the Schnitzel and Kartoffelsalat, I think we should first start with boiling the potatoes. So while the potatoes are boiling, we can prepare the onions. You can just go and cut them like small little dice. Precise small little dice. We don't want any kind of rustic appearance of the dish. And small enough for us to mix those onions into the potato salad and not season. Not season. But taste them. Cannot waste the onion because it's a very good fruit. And now while we wait for the potatoes to boil, we can make the Schnitzel, which is wonderful pork meat right here. It's in the little slices where you can eat them. So first step you want to do with the meat is you want to pound it. You want to pound it to an even layer. This one is really well made from the butcher. It's already really even, but maybe we can get this a little more flat. A little more flat so there's more breading, more delicious, more butter. Anyway, on the meat, we just take it and send it in Germany. Pound the meat to an even layer. See, and now we went from this to this. Looks like more meat is always good. Wonderful, wonderful. And then we just have to bread it and we're good. But first we have to continue with the other meats. For the breading we need eggs. We take real German eggs. If there is no poop on the eggs from the chickens, poop or feathers are good. The breadcrumbs, we want to flavor them a little bit. So that is very simple with salt and pepper. So we put the breadcrumbs in here, just like this. We just put them all, because we just salt and pepper. That is perfectly fine. So we don't need anything else but salt and pepper. And then we need the first station, flour. Flour, I don't think we need that much. I think this should be fine. This should be efficient. This is probably plenty. So now the meat into the... Watch out for the flour, sometimes it sprays all over when you just throw in the meat. Where there is sawing going on, there will be wood chips. That's a German saying. We are making Schnitzel for 2 people, so 6 should be efficient. The saying comes to mind, the greatest is a Schnitzel, the biggest is funny. It has been invented here first, in Germany. And even some say that in Germany, sayings have been invented. So when you say something like the apple doesn't fall from this tree, calling that a saying has been invented in Germany. The first time. The first time that was said was in Germany. Saying a saying. It's interesting, right? It's interesting. Never done this with a fork. See, so now the egg mixture sticks. We let it drip off. And then we put it right into the... We cover it with breadcrumbs. We press it down like this. Now some people prefer to double dip, which is also something, funny fact, has been invented first in Germany for the first time. Perfect, we got them all breaded. Now it's time for the best part, cooking the meats. We said we were shallow frying them, so we need about this much. We are only waiting now for the butter to melt, so we can put in the pile of meats. Wow, this is a hot pile of meats. The meats are golden brown, then you take them out and you put them on a little paper towel. That way you can get rid of all the extra butter, which we don't really want to do, but you know, we are also looking for a good shape. So here we go, wonderful meats. And we put in the next ones. We do them by batches. While these are cooking, we can jump over to the potatoes and prepare those. Let's go. Now it is time to peel the potatoes. We have to peel the potatoes to give the potato salad a wonderful golden color all over. I was once told that in Germany the potato salad was first invented for the first time. When the potato is peeled, you just cut it little discs and you put them into the bowl where you're gonna finally then serve your potato salad. When you are German, you grow up with so many potatoes, you can make potatoes like it is your second nature. You wake up in the middle of the night, you know exactly how to make potatoes. Every day perfectly. Now that you have all your potatoes cut into little discs, all you have to do is add some oil. You add your onions, a healthy amount of onions, just like that. Then you take some parsley, you rip it up, and you put it in there along with everything else, and then some vinegar, and then there you are. So when you have all the ingredients in the bowl, you mix it around, you mix it about like so, so the flavors can meet each other. They can talk about the wonderful weather in the Bavarian Alps. So we have this prepared. Now, see, the finger test. That's going to be delicious with the meats. And there you have it, the finished product, Schnitzel and Kartoffelsalat. We forgot lemon, but that's okay. You would squeeze it over the Schnitzel. Join me next time with Küche, Kochen, Klaus. I'm Klaus, and next time we will cook another German dish, very special dish, as usual with me, Klaus.